Hey guys, it is injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, shooting another video for you and in serious need of a haircut again. I swear my hair grows so fast, but haircut notwithstanding. I had a question from a viewer and I thought answering his question might help you. So um, the guy's question is, I last talked to my lawyer about 2 months ago and he said that he was expecting a settlement offer really soon on my personal injury case. I have called him since then several times and tried to reach him, but he's not calling me back. Is that normal? What should I do? Okay. So this is what I'm going to tell you. You know, the number one complaint against injury lawyers. So whether it's a workers' comp lawyer, car crash lawyer, medical malpractice lawyer, number one complaint against lawyers is that they don't call people back, or they don't call them back fast enough, or they don't keep them apprised of the status of the case. So it might be that your lawyer is on trial, or went on vacation, or is sick, or his or her kids are sick, or they've got a lot going on and they just haven't been able to get to you. And I think a lot of times when there's nothing new to report on a case, the urgency with which the lawyer calls the client back, it falls lower on the list when you got nothing new to tell the client, right? But it's actually really important. If it's a situation where you're nearing a time deadline, a filing deadline, a settlement offer, anything like that, and your lawyer completely disappears on you, I want you to think about something. Lawyers are human beings. They get sick, they pass away. Very rare occasions they're incarcerated, they wrap up their law practice. There are even, some lawyers with mental health or addiction problems that can really affect their ability to represent their clients and help their clients. And so lawyers are supposed to create a plan and give their plan to lawyers who are supposed to implement their plan in case of an emergency, a death, or something like that. I don't know what the compliance. I don't know what the compliance rate is, but that's something for you to think about. So, if your lawyer has disappeared, you've tried to reach them, don't wait. My advice to you is that you should call them immediately, email them, and even just show up at their office during the week, during business hours. If they're not returning your calls, and nobody's returning your calls, so their secretary, their paralegal, their partner, their associate, their office manager, nobody's returning your calls, and it's been 2 months, and you're not getting any response, I would call, email, fax, and I would do all of those things, including showing up at their office. And now your last resort is to call your ethics board and find out if the ethics board has been notified that the lawyer lost their license or passed away or anything of that nature. Because, that could happen. It's possible that it would happen, and you do not want your case to be prejudiced. But definitely before you do that, make every effort to reach out to the lawyer and call, leave a message and let them know, I need to hear from you. It's an emergency. 2 months of constant calling with no response is unacceptable, especially if there's a looming deadline or you're in the middle of settlement or something like that. You have to be able to hear from your lawyer to know that he or she is actually still working on your case, right? But don't call your bar association or the ethics board, right away. Don't do that first. Showing up at the lawyer's office is really good advice. So that is my advice to you under those circumstances. I hope that information helps you. If you or anyone you know needs a lawyer, you can reach me anytime, night or day, even if you don't have a case, even if you just have a law question. You can reach me at 312-500-4500. That's 312-500-4500. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer, or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comment section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire. So I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.